Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to close your BMW X3 hood. First, make sure there are no tools or items left in the engine bay that could obstruct the hood's path. Then, identify the two hood latches located at the front of the engine compartment. Position yourself directly in front of the vehicle, centered, to ensure you have the best angle for closing. Now, gently lower the hood until it's approximately 10 to 12 inches above the latches. It's crucial not to press down on the hood or try to force it shut at this stage. Instead, let gravity do most of the work for the initial descent. This prevents any potential damage to the hood or the latching mechanism. From that 10 to 12-inch height, simply release the hood. It should fall freely and engage both latches simultaneously. You'll want to listen carefully for two distinct clicks, which confirm that both sides of the hood have securely latched into place. This ensures your hood is properly closed and safe for driving. To perform a final check, gently try to lift the hood from the front edge. If it doesn't budge, it's securely latched. Remember, never drive your BMW X3 with a partially latched or unsecured hood, as this can be extremely dangerous. Also, if you're looking to keep your car smelling fresh, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.